channel. Today we are unboxing the November BoxyCharm, and believe me, it's a good one. So without further ado, let's just get into the box. The first thing I see here that I got is the Luxie Luminous eye set, and it has a value of $31. Wow, it's pricey for brushes. And it's these 4 eyeshadow brushes, and believe me, these are amazing. I used them recently for a tutorial that I'm gonna be releasing next week, and this copper warm smoky eye, so stay tuned for that one. But I used it for that tutorial, and let me tell you, these are a hooded eye girl's best friend. I mean, it really gets into those creases really well. I mean, they're really detailed and small, and they're great for blending. I'm in love. I mean, when I saw these brushes, I knew right away it was going to be amazing. And these are probably, no, these are my favorite product in the box this month. So definitely a win here. The next thing that I see here is the Beauty Grandiose palette. I gotta admit, I never heard of Beauty? I'm guessing it's Beaute. I think so. Beaute. And it has a value of $24.99. And it comes with 8 eyeshadows, no mirror, but beautiful eyeshadows. I'm going to be doing some swatches on these for you. And these are so buttery and creamy, and the metallic shades are really metallic. I mean, some of them, I know, like with other palettes I've gotten from BoxyCharm, some of the metallic shades can be very dull, but these are really luminous. So these are amazing. It's a great fall palette. It has, you know, the warm tones, it has orange tones, the berry tones. I mean, you can get so many different eye looks with this eyeshadow palette. So I'm very thankful to have that. The next thing I see here is the Farah Galaxy Gold tweezers. And I can always use a good set of tweezers, let me tell you. So this one is like a 2-for-1 kind of tweezer. It has like a normal tweezer. I don't know if you can really see it, but it has a normal tweezer head, and then it has a more precise tweezers at the end, on the other end, sorry. And these are really good. I actually used these, you know, before I do the tutorial, and I just plucked my eyebrows with this, and it was really good. It really grabbed onto every hair, so I'm very thankful they included this. I need a new set of tweezers, so it's awesome. Now the next thing I see here is the Cover FX Glitter Drops. I've only used their Cover FX foundation drops, which are very concentrated, very pigmented, so I can only imagine that these glitter drops are just as good. So let's get it out of the package. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. You can really see on camera, but it's so pretty. I mean, it's like a gold color. It's called Nova, and it has a retail value of $44. So this costs more than the box itself. I mean, it's like nearly this, you know, double the price of the box. So this alone makes it worth it. Now, I was a little iffy at first because they are glitter drops. I'm like, oh, you know, why does it have to be glitter? When couldn't it be just a metallic shade? But I used it today in my tutorial, and I used it on my cheek before I put on my powder highlighter. I put this on first as a cream highlighter, and it's really nice. Actually, the glitters are very finely milled, so they don't really pop on your skin like, oh my god, glitter, like someone just splashed your face with glitter. No, it's really, really nice. It's like a nice finely milled glitter that just gives off this nice glow. So I really enjoyed it more than I thought I would. And as you can see, it's in the dropper form, so what I do is I just drop a couple of them on my cheeks, and I just use my fingers to blend it in, and it blends in like a dream. So I'm very, very, very thankful to have this, because I never would have thought to buy this for myself. And the last thing we have on here is the Bodyography Pro Makeup Brush Cleaner. I always could use a nice brush cleaner because my eye brushes get dirty so fast, and don't nobody got time for, you know, having to go under the sink and wash your brushes all the time. This is a quick cleanup for your brushes. I'm going to do a little demo for you right now. And as you can see, all you have to do is spray your brush and just swirl the brush into the paper towel, and all of the eyeshadow or the product comes off. This has a retail value of $12, so it's pretty pricey for a brush cleaner, but it works really, really well, so I'm really thankful to have that. So that's all I got in my BoxyCharm this month. I think overall it was a really good box. I think the value was way more than $21 that I paid for, and all the products I really enjoyed having. There wasn't a dud in this box, but I still have to say that my favorite are the Luxie brushes. And then the second favorite, I would say close second, would be the Cover Effect glitter drops. So yeah, I can't wait to see what I get in my December box. Alright, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!